Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Got a small unboxing today. This one is going to be from Cacti and Carnivorous. That one was on Palm Street. I actually did a purchase there. It's from an Italian grower, so they did like a teleconference through Italy. So these plants came from Europe, but a little bit of a wait, but that's all good. Can't wait to get it open and show you what I got. Hopefully they're in good shape. Let's get this open. All right. Should be 6 plants here. All right, we'll open this one first. All right. One of the cool ones. Oop, little pup fell off. That'll be cool. Try to graft it. This is Astrophytum Ornatum Dinosaur. Wow, that is unique. That is definitely unique. Hopefully this is big enough to graft, so I can try to do that in the next few days. But wow, what a cool specimen there. I like that. Set you there. That's Gymnocalycium Spegazzini unguspina. Cool spines on that. Another cool plant. Great roots. That's definitely something I'm excited to have. I don't have that. Ooh. This is nice. This looks like a little gift there. It's Astrophytum Asterias Kiko, I believe. Didn't order this one, but this one is kind of a gift, I believe. So always cool there. Resembles that turtle. Really cool. Woo! Just got with some spikes right there. Some spines. On the side. Oh, that one's crazy. I believe this is the Neoporteria floccosa. Oh, the spikes on that thing. Spines, I mean. I keep saying spikes. I think it's late. Really cool. Yep, got 3 left. So that Astro was definitely a little gift. So thank you. That's cool. Wrapped up. There we go. Feel some of the spines now. Or not. There we go. Little spines. Oh, this is cool. This is Mellow Cactus. I believe this is Mellow Cactus Maxoni inermis. So the spines kind of drop off. Cool looking Mellow Cactus. Really firm, so cool. Got some good roots. Ooh, it's sharp. Sharp. Dang. I might have to get a little. Yep, that one got me. In multiple places. Yeah, or tweezers. Wow, that's pretty crazy looking. This is Echinopsis Hakujo. That's on there pretty solid too. It looks like it was flowering. Wow, that's going to be interesting. Hopefully I can get that to grow a lot. Echinopsis Hakujo. And last one. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, a lot bigger. There we go. Shorter, more stout. Nice. That was wrapped up good. So this is a cool one. I don't have this one yet. This is the Chinocactus grusani variety Brevospina. Just really cool, short spines. I love it. It's a good looking plant. A little sharp too for me to be holding because it got a little weight. But really excited. Some cool plants. Definitely kind of lay these down. This one was always the most interesting to me. Let's see if I can get this to grow good. It's that Ornatum Dinosaur. Kind of zoom in. That is going to be interesting. So hopefully that piece that came off I can graft. Looks really cool. It's got some amazing spines on it. So we shall see. But I'll get these all kind of potted up and then we'll show you how they look. But excited, great plants. Came from Italy, took a little time, but some things that I definitely wasn't seeing too much of where I was purchasing. So excited to get these going and we'll pot them up. All right, got them all potted up. This is going to be the Neoporteria flacosa. Super pretty. This is going to be the Astrophytum Ornatum Dinosaur. Excited on that one as well. Gymnocalycium Spegazzini Ungaspina. Pretty spines. That's going to be the Astrophytum Asterias Kiko. the Echinopsis Hakujo. This is going to be the Echinocactus grusani brevis minus. And then last we have the Melocactus Maxonii inermis. So great new plants. Excited. Gonna have another unboxing next week. I got some plants from Miles to Go coming. But thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.